I'm doing the money shot. I always like to tease you. I do a nice little triangle. And then I tease that. Do a little bigger pieces. Just tease that so that when it falls forward, making sure you have a lot of tension to the hair so the really saturates. Make sure you have a lot of tension. You're always holding it down by the middle and then feather it off. And I always like to tip out the ends a little bit, not too much. Do a little freehand painting balayage just to open up that cuticle, remove any buildup or dullness. When doing the color melt, always start your first where they section their hair. That way you have a little bit more depth at that base.